Hello, welcome back. I have amazing messages that came from my higher self, and I feel that it is needed to be shared. There's a common saying here and there: don't show off. It's stroking your ego. The world tells us in the media, many are digesting continuously, that your feelings of grandeur is depicted by what the mirror shows, the lenses show. But have you ever wondered a life without continual self-criticism? This criticism provokes negatively the messages our cells receive and carry throughout our body. Our cells are gentle. They change our body based on the judgments we do daily, of ourselves and of others and the people around us. The appearance you are given is a gift. Have you ever seen a brutally damaged face marry a very attractive mate? I shouldn't be judging, but without the empathy provoked, this bond would not happen. Why not choose good emotions instead of bad thoughts is another matter. We already pointed out the power of the present stated mindset. People wonder, what do I juggle in my mind? Why not good emotions? If you see the meditative state as a boring space to exist in, even when the focus is on your higher self, I'm still in the practice of I'm going to hear my higher self speak louder, and that will be slowly and surely. Even when the focus is on your higher self, accompanying it with kind emotions is a wise idea. So meditative and having kind emotions. Emotions are the missing piece from the Buddhist wisdom statement: speak no evil, do no evil, see no evil, hear no evil, and we're adding feel no evil. That is not in the statement, but it should be. When we lack, and it's an emotion, we provoke an energy in the universe. It is not a favorable feeling to have. People assume that lacking is a justifiable feeling because it is often accompanied with pity, remorse, victimization, non-liability. That's understandable, but the law of attraction would say otherwise. Lacking gives out energy that is negative framed. The feeling of missing something or someone provokes a sphere of energy that is not in the attraction realm. It is not one that attracts due to the negative linkage. Lacking, for example, your dream is not going to speed it up and you will attain it sooner. Rather, playing pretend, imagining yourself with the fancy home or the washing yourself in your current shower, playing pretend, um, with the negative thought, not negative, with a positive thought, when you pretend, oh, I have this lounge, and you wear fancy clothes and you dress up and pretend like you're in the atmosphere. And this energy of law of attraction, it favors non-negative linkage. So you have to pretend, but not be in a negative frame of mind. And that's it, I hope you got good messages from the material I shared with you. And yeah, I wish you the best towards reaching awareness. That's the purpose of my videos, to help you reach awareness. That's mental peace also. It can be also considered as mental peace, where there are no negative thoughts jumbling up your mind. And and a lot of people can't sleep because there's thoughts rumoring and rumbling around in their brain. Okay, thank you for joining me. Have a nice day.